Here's Reclip app. It's very fun app to try out. It's growing in the charts in social networking. So let's just have a quick look. So it's like audio slash stories slash like Instagram app where you can capture some audio moments of your conversations. So this app saves last 2 minutes of your audio. So basically how it works, you just enable it, and now in my dynamic island in the top of the phone you can see there is microphone, and this microphone is basically recording everything I'm saying. So it's a bit cringe, but that's how it app works. You don't need to have it enabled all the time. You only enable it when you want it, like for example when you met up with friends and you have some interesting conversation, you're drinking beer together, whatever. And then you just enable this app, and this app listens to everything you're saying. And then anything you don't clip is erased automatically after 2 minutes. So only last 2 minutes are basically stored in the app. And then if someone, for example, in your group just told like an interesting joke, you can go to this app, take a picture and find this clip in your audio recordings, and then just have this clip available and create like a little story and share it on Snapchat. Let's just try it out. So imagine like right now I'm just like speaking with friends, and this is like a real conversation. How are you? I'm just gonna tell this fun joke. Here is a joke, haha. So then you just kind of going to Reclip app, and you tap like clip, and then this way you also take in a picture of your conversation. How are you? I'm just gonna tell this fun joke. Here is a joke. Here is a joke. Haha. Haha. So then, as you can see, I just you have all the recordings last 2 minutes, and I just selected the joke part. This is just I know it looks very weird, but here's I'm just trying to show an example. I just trimmed this joke part. It automatically adds captions. You can add photos, and then basically you can save it. You can then share it. You can send the link to your friends. How it works. And you can also take the photo of that moment, share it on Snapchat, on TikTok, and that's basically the idea. So then you will have this like audio clip with an image attached to it. So it's kind of like a small video story. Yeah, and then you're just sharing it. So it's pretty cool. That's the idea of the app. I know it's kind of hard to understand. You need to try it out yourself. So I would just recommend you to go give it a try, clip and quip, and then it kind of becomes fun. So try it out.